back.
Coming back. Here I come.
Yeah. Ito. Like Brandon's gonna take an acorn, throw it up in the air, and use a bat and hit it. Watermelon, throw it up in the air, and take another watermelon and hit it with. Eat anymore.
Look at the little pig.
Run it.
Yeah.
Now I'll bake.
No, you leave your grandpa alone.
You want it? Here.
You can go back with you. Oh.
Huh? You want? It's long or short? Run over.
Manood ako ng news. Ako mahilig manood ng news eh.
Jan wants me to buy her.
Bahay maghapon
My
na ako
money.
ng
Come
news.
on. I got money.
Ba't yung bulong niya yayaman na?
Hey, China. China. China.
Here you go.
The watermelon money.
Oh. I threw it.
No, I'm throwing watermelon. Stop, or I'm gonna tell. I mean it. I'm telling. I'm gonna tell. I'm fighting you. Darn, China, you know what China happened, China? China, you know what happened? I went like this. Look, China, China, look, China, look. Watermelon went like this. China, look. Watermelon went like this. You go.
That's good, huh?
Stop.
Having fun.
I'm telling.
This is our cake during our wedding. We haven't eaten yet.
With a little concentration, you could build a brain
So Brandon can eat some.
What? Keeping your mind on things.
Oh, smile. Come on. Come on.
Ayan na, naka-smile na nga eh.
No, laugh. So loud. Louder.
Malis yun.
Ala na, sinisino. Hika.
Ikaw ba magdala ng paggatas?
Nagdala ako ng gatas. Look. Yes.
Okay. Ayaw na, pagod na. Mihingal na.
Inumin. Ha?
Yes. On. Telephone. Apos baton daw na telepon. Di pwede yan daw.
Bahay na naman kami. Hey. Look at Brandon, there's no clothes. That's the bat.